In this script, you'll design a floating info tooltip that looks like it belongs in a real app or website UI, all created using simple custom shapes. Begin by opening Photoshop and setting up a medium-sized canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw a rounded rectangle in the center to create the tooltip box. Change the fill color to a dark tone so it contrasts well with the background. Now choose a triangle custom shape and place it under the rectangle, rotating it slightly so it points downward like a tooltip arrow. Align both shapes carefully and group them together. Next, add short informational text inside the box using the Type tool, keeping padding consistent on all sides. To enhance realism, duplicate the tooltip group, place it behind, blur it slightly, and reduce opacity to simulate a soft